Man, we over here just like damn near reporting the news. This is what happens when you get older, bro. You sit back with a cool mic and just talk because you know life experience. But this is crazy, bro. So James Whitner of the Whitaker Group named in a multi-million-dollar sneaker money laundering scheme. Woo! Now, I've seen a few interviews about this. This actually popped. It pretty much has been everywhere on my Instagram, Twitter. Everyone's talking about this. What's going on? You guys can see right here. James Whitner is, I want to say, a staple in the sneaker industry. Whitaker Group is an umbrella company that owns stores like Ama Manier, Social Status. They just seeded me not too long ago. They gave me the Ama Manier Airship. I need to do a video of those, but much love to them, man. They sent me a lot of different Social Status shoes. And, you know, I just kind of wanted to shed light on this and talk about it. Now, there's been so many little small pieces and snippets of content, but what it sounds like is essentially there was a buyer in China that was spending millions of dollars, right? Clearly 32 million. That's wow. In exchange for sneakers, which when you have multiple stores, and one of the agreements with Nike's accounts or a lot of accounts is you can't sell overseas, which has clearly happened. And I've even seen James talk about, man, if it comes down to like providing, if you need to take care of your family, sell those shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, people want to get so upset about this, but I genuinely don't even look at it as a big deal because I think anyone in this position would do the same. I'm even in a group where stores are literally offsetting, and it's not even, when people think of backdooring, they think of only hype sneakers, but it's not only hype sneakers. It's the stuff that they can barely get rid of. They sell for an extremely discounted price to all these resale shops, other boutiques for the low, and then they just get rid of them. And it's all just cash transactions, simple as that. So it's really nothing new. This has always been a thing, but man, when it comes to $30 million, and that's kind of where I'm confused about the whole aspect of money laundering specifically. There was even an official statement that they put out. The recent action by the U.S. Attorney's Office, the Western District of North Carolina, comes after significant cooperation and good faith negotiations on our part. You know, obviously they're owning up to what's going on, but let's get into these fast facts. I like this. Good job, Soul Retriever. James Whitner, notable businessman and owner of the Whitaker Group, has been named in a civil complaint for forfeiture regarding money laundering. This complex operation reportedly involved Chinese money couriers in a series of sophisticated financial transactions that flouted vital financial laws designed to prevent money laundering. According to the complaint, Whitner broke at least one business contract with a sneaker company based in Oregon that explicitly forbids selling, shipping, or transferring its good sneakers to other countries. First off, who ratted, bro? You know, I've been watching a lot of Power, man. Snitches get stitches, bro. Man, people underestimate this sneaker game, man. $32 million? What? Between November 2017 and April 2022, there are alleged to be more than 255 occasions in which Whitner, his business, and others involved received cash from a Chinese national named YG. These transactions total to $32 million. So somebody definitely told on bro, or at least tipped him off. But then again, when you're transferring that kind of money, I'm sure it does, probably is a red flag. It's such a crazy thing, man. It really is. Like, I remember even back in the day, we'll just talk about this story. I knew a manager, and maybe we should do a full video on like backdooring sneakers, but I want to say what? We'll probably, man, let's check this out. When did the white cements come out? I think was that 2015? It was not. There's no way. 2012. That's not accurate. Is it? Bro, what? Why? Tell me why I just Google white cement 4 come out Nike Air right here on the side. Why does it say $3,200? Who is charging? Ain't nobody buying that, bro. Come on. Size 16, size 17, 5 bands. Nobody is buying that, bro. It's tomfoolery. Anyway, back to my story. So around 2016, whatever. I knew a manager at Finish Line. He knew I was a reseller. I was really doing this, bro, for a while. I kind of miss it. But that's just not really what I'm into. I hit him up. Hey, bro, can you get me on the white cements? They get 2 shipments in, bro. I probably got, man, I don't know if it was like 12 or 18 pairs, full-size run. I pulled up. This is back when I drove my little Kia Soul. Y'all used to roast me about all the time back when I was in college. I pull up early in the morning. We're like the docking station of the mall. Open my trunk. It's so funny to think about. Cash. Or actually, I don't think it was cash. I think you had to use multiple cards. There was something that we had to do. I can't necessarily remember exactly what, to make sure it didn't flag the system, because that's how they operate. If You can't have just one person buy a bunch of shoes just on one card. Otherwise, I guess it flags the system. So I don't know. I had I don't know if I had a lot of cash or I did multiple cards in cash, something along the lines. But either way, I'm pretty sure I have a vlog of it. I'll link it somewhere. Just had to throw that in there because people always hate. But it was literally that easy. There's so many managers that, I mean, logically, you don't get paid that much. Life is hard for everyone. So if someone's going to offer you $100 on top of each shoe, granted, it's not like that now. But if you need to move inventory for your store, to pay rent, to prove to the brands that you're still moving product, you got to do what you got to do. And that's just how I look at it. Now we're in a time where, you know, the iron isn't as hot and things aren't going for these insane prices. The stores still need to move product. And like I said, even now, it's all about money. If I have $5,000 just on the side and I wanted to get a full size run of pretty much any shoe that comes out, I could do it. Yes, I would pay premium for it, but I could do it. I know the right people to do it. So it's just one of those things that I feel like is never really gonna change. And you know, you accuse one person, sue them, lock them up, there's just gonna be another person to do it. Don't get it twisted, man. People are making a lot of money selling shoes. There's SneakerCon buyouts for 50K. Like, people are just buying out the entire table. There's still a lot of money to be made, but 32 M's, man, like, anyone, honestly, drop a comment down below. If you had this same opportunity that bro had, tell me you're not doing it. Just be honest. If you're in the same position, tell me you're not doing it. Money talks, guys. Always remember that. But this is your boy, Sneaker Life. Let me know what you guys think about these breaking news topics. I appreciate all you guys commenting, man. We're on day 7. We upload every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.